Good day everyone. Today's topic, we're going to add and subtract binomials. When we are talking of binomials, these are expressions that has two terms. Okay, same as monomial, in addition of binomial, we're going to combine like terms to simplify the given expressions. Okay, let's have an example. 7b minus 3 plus negative 19b plus 8. Okay, so we're going to eliminate first the parentheses so you can easily simplify the given expressions. So we have 7b minus 3 plus, since this is plus, just copy the sign. Okay, we have negative 19b plus 8. And then after eliminating the parentheses, let us align the similar terms. Okay, we have 7b minus 3, and then align with the similar terms. Negative 9b is aligned with 7b. Same as 8, align with another constant number. And then apply the rule in addition of signed numbers. So since we have unlike sign, 7, positive 7, negative 19, that is negative 12. And then we have b as their variable. We have negative 3, positive 8. Subtract. They are unlike signs, so that is positive 5. So therefore, your final answer is negative 12b plus 5. Okay, let's have the second example. Again, let us eliminate the parentheses. We have negative 21x squared y squared z plus 12. And then, since this is plus, just copy the term. Negative 6 x squared y cubed z minus 6. Okay, next procedure, you're going to align the same term. So that is negative 21 x squared y squared z plus 12, and then align with negative 6 squared y cubed z. Align with the constant, which is negative 6 here. Okay, apply the rule for sign numbers. Negative 21 and negative 6 is unlike sign, so you have to add and then copy the sign of the given, or copy the sign of the given number. So we have negative 21 and negative 6, just add. That is 27. And then copy the sign, which is negative. So that is x squared y squared and then z. Okay, this one is unlike sign, positive 12 and negative 6. Subtract and then copy the sign, which is 12. The sign of 12 is positive, so your answer is positive 6. Okay, so this will be your answer. 27x squared y squared z plus 6.